Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use COSRX Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser, which contains 0.5% of salicylic acid, which is ideal if you have combination to oily skin and maybe acne-prone skin as well, since it can help you to properly break down any excess oil and remove dirt and sweat from the skin to gently wash your face. And so you can use this cleanser daily in the morning and or evening. And so when using this cleanser, you're going to use about a coin-size amount in the palm of your hand. Then you're going to add water to it and then gently use it between your hands so that it starts to foam up, and then apply it over your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. And so this is now what I'm going to do. So go ahead, take your cleanser and use about a coin-size amount. About that much, more or less. Now you're going ahead and adding a bit of lukewarm water to warm water to it, and then massage it between your hands and then apply it to the skin. So that you can see that it also starts to foam up. And then massage it all over your face and neck for about 30 seconds to a minute. And please do not get it into your eyes and avoid the eye area overall. So, and once you have massaged it all over your face and neck, you now can go ahead and rinse it off with lukewarm water to warm water. Now, in case you should have troubles removing it properly from the skin, you can go ahead and use a fresh and soft washcloth in between, which you're going to wet, and this can help you to remove the cleanser a bit better. So, and now go ahead and take a fresh towel and pat the skin dry. So now once you're done with washing your face with COSRX Salicylic Acid Cleanser, you can keep it very simple and just use this cleanser, and that's basically it, which of course depends on your skin type and needs. However, if you now want to go ahead and follow with the rest of your skincare routine, or you may want to add some other COSRX products to your skincare routine and you now wonder, well, how can you use them, then I have specific videos for you at the end of this video, which I recommend checking out, since there I'm going over not only example skincare routines, but at the same time over the entire application. And this is basically how simple you can keep it, how you can use COSRX Salicylic Acid Cleanser. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Happy skincaring. Bye!